Hello guys, welcome to Arknote Academy YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be training you on how to animate flyers on Photoshop. Yeah, flyers on Photoshop. Very simple. Kindly like, subscribe and share. So the first thing I did was to create the rectangular shape. So I created the first one and then duplicated it. That is Ctrl J. So I picked the color that I want to use from the brand logo. Do you get? So that's all. So about to input the name, like the text that I want to animate. Yeah, so and mind you, you can also use this animation for web banner ads. You get? So because I'll be converting this to GIF and GIF, which is GIF. Yeah, GIF formats. So I selected the font. Okay, so after that, so I then duplicated the text so I can like use it for another purpose. Yeah, so I'm using this nasal fonts for this text. Yeah, for the Lagos Food Bank family. Yeah, okay. So now I need to create the box for the like the person we're actually doing this for. Do you get? So that's the box. Now remains the text. Okay, so what I needed to do here is to separate each what is it called, to actually separate each text. Do you get? So I since we have four objects, like four objects, the text which is we welcome you to, and we have the Lagos Food Bank family, and we have the two um objects above those text. Do you get that two object that looks like that disco? Yeah. So we have two of them, so making four. Separated them, then exposed them one after the other. So as you can see on my screen now. Okay, so what I'm about to do is to export those pictures. So I click on script, then move to load file into stack. So I want to import those pictures, like those four pictures. So why do we have four, and how do we have four? Because we are just animating four objects, that is the two statements and the two objects. Yeah, so click on OK. And see, so 1 2 3, okay, so that's five. Yeah, so that's five. And now the fifth one is the complete statement, like the complete that have the full design. So that's that. So if you're done, just move to timeline. So underneath you can see timeline. Okay, so I click on make frames from layers. Yeah, so can you see? So it's somehow fast, so I need to reduce the speed. So select all of them, so I reduce the speed. Yep, so can you see? So I think this is okay. I mean, okay, so back to that. I'm about to export now. Kindly like, comment, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and most importantly, turn on that notification bell to receive an update from us whenever we upload new videos. Thank you very much, and God bless you.